Hi. So how are you all doing today? This video I'm going to be talking about Vaseline petroleum jelly. Okay, I will more like everything you need to know about petroleum jelly. I'm going to be talking about what petroleum jelly is it good or bad to use on your face? Okay, what skin, because most of the news out there are, is bad for you, it's not bad for you, it's good for you, it's not good for you. I will touch on that. Okay, and I will talk about what exactly can you use is Vaseline used for, so the benefits and also a little bit about side effects. Okay, so for those of you that are always confused about Vaseline, because there's a lot of things there on social media about it, good and bad. Okay, so I will tell you everything you need to know about Vaseline. Now, let's get on to the video. Now, if this is your first time visiting this channel, my name is CHIKA Kelly. I am a certified esthetician and I also studied about natural skincare formulation. So I know a bit of ingredients that are good for you and not good for you. And in this channel, we talk about skincare, how to look after your skin, what products to use and what product not to use. And I do a lot of product reviews. I also do skin care recommendations as well. So basically, I had to keep that skin glow. So I teach you about skincare. Okay. Now, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button. If you like what you're watching, click the subscribe button and subscribe, and also hit the bell button while you're subscribing, so that you receive any updates on my channel. Whatever that is happening on my channel, you'll be notified. Okay, and for my regular visitors, thank you so much for coming back. Please like this video, click the like button and like this video, and share it as well to anyone that you think it will be beneficial to. Okay, so Vaseline is basically a name of a popular brand of petroleum jelly, and it is a mixture of minerals and waxes that are easily spreadable, and it's but mostly used as a face body moisturizer. But before you apply it on your face, you need to know this. So Vaseline has a lot of skincare and health benefits. Okay, but the question is it actually good if applied on the face? What risk does it pose to your skin when you use Vaseline on your face? Okay, will it cause any problem, any irritation if applied on your face? Now, the first thing is, because there's been a lot of reviews out there, there's been a lot of a lot of news going out there about Vaseline, good, bad, too many stories out there about Vaseline. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you everything you need to know in this video. The first thing is Vaseline works as an occlusive ingredient. Okay, meaning that it doesn't actually add moisture to your skin, but it helps to seal in moisture. Okay, it helps to seal in the existing moisture to your skin by forming a barrier when applied on your skin. Okay, so if you, let's say you put your moisturizer or your serum, and then you put Vaseline on top, especially people that, you know, dry skin or dehydrated skin, you apply Vaseline on top of your moisturizer. It will help your moisturizer to last longer, and you help your skin to retain that moisture for longer period. Okay. Now, another thing that Vaseline does to your skin is it helps to prevent your skin from going through transepidermal water loss. So, transepidermal water loss is like water that evaporates out of your skin. Okay, water that evaporates out of your skin, and this can lead to your skin. This can lead to dryness and your skin being very, very dehydrated, and also premature aging. Okay, so and transepidermal water loss is usually caused by environment and weather. Especially this is winter now, so you lose a lot of water because of the cold weather. And for people too that are, you know, in a hot climate as well, you sweat a lot, so you're losing water. Okay, now, so transepidermal water loss, a lot of things causes it. So Vaseline will actually prevent your skin from going through that process. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, especially people that are suffering from dry skin, dehydrated skin, eczema, people that, you know, that has eczema and dermatitis. Okay, Vaseline is very good for you because these are a lot of skin conditions. Dermatitis, eczema, they usually seborrheic dermatitis. They're usually caused by skin dryness, overly dry skin. Okay, so the use of Vaseline on your skin will stop you from, you know, you stop your condition from getting worse. Okay, now another thing I love about Vaseline is it's non-absorbable. So when you apply it on your skin, it doesn't cause any problem whatsoever because it's hypoallergic. So for people with the sensitive skin, if you use Vaseline on your skin, it's not going to make your condition worse. It will actually make it better because it's non-absorbable. So if you put it there until you wash it off, it stays there. That's what it's saying. It stays there. Okay. Now, this is the benefits of using Vaseline. This is what Vaseline does when you use it on your face. Okay. It doesn't cause any problem. But there are other concerns that I want to also touch. You know, for those of you that have acne or, you know, acne prone skin, and for those of you that have oily skin, the question will probably be because Vaseline is non-absorbable. So you're kind of wondering, should I actually use it? Like if I have oily skin, should I actually use Vaseline? You know, oily skin is usually caused by overproduction of sebum. Okay, so because Vaseline is non-absorbable, I don't know if it's recommended, if I'll actually recommend that you use it. Okay, because what is going to happen is, because your skin is producing too much sebum, also it will, you know, it's non-absorbable. It doesn't add any moisture in your skin because your skin is producing too much, or you need something that adds moisture to your skin, and you don't need anything that is non-absorbable on your skin because you're suffering from oily skin. Okay, so it's not something that I'll recommend. But when it comes to skincare products, sometimes what works for me may not work for you, and what works for you may not work for me. So people with oily skin, some of them can still say, okay, I used Vaseline on my skin and it was good. People with acne prone skin will still come out and say, I used Vaseline on my skin and it helped to clear my acne. Okay, so I'm only giving my professional advice, but sometimes skincare products, most times, can surprise you. What you think may not work, you put it on your skin and it works for you. Because of age, your immune system, and also the skincare routine, the health of your skin too matters a lot. Okay, so it depends. If you've used it, you have acne, you can leave a comment below. I have acne, I use Vaseline, it worked for me. I have oily skin, I use Vaseline, it worked for me. I would like to hear it, but I wouldn't recommend it for someone that has oily skin. Okay, and I will not recommend it for someone that has acne prone skin, because it's non-absorbable, so it may make your acne worse. It may not. You never know. You never know. Now, another thing that I want to touch on is, for those of you that that are wondering, can you use Vaseline to treat sunburn or minor burns? Well, because it's an occlusive ingredient, I wouldn't actually use it immediately if you have the sunburn immediately, to apply it immediately, because Vaseline kind of seals in the moisture, seals in heat, so it will seal in the heat from the sunburn, and it may make the sunburn worse. Okay, so my recommendation is, if you want to use it for your sunburn, leave the sunburn for about like few hours first. Let it just dry for like few hours before you now apply Vaseline on it. Or any new burn, don't put Vaseline on that burn immediately. Let it cool down for a few hours before you now use Vaseline. Okay, this is what I actually I love Vaseline myself. I use it I mix it with some sugar. I use it for my lips as a lip scrub. I also put it on my lips, because it helps with keeping your lips moisturized. Okay, so, and it's good for people that have minor cuts and bruises. You can use Vaseline. It can be used for, if you have like rashes, nappy rash, you put Vaseline, use it as a nappy rash cream. It does a lot of things for so many people, and that is why it's been on for years and years, and is a very popular skincare product. Okay, another thing is, for people that have rosacea and psoriasis, Vaseline would be very good for you because of the occlusiveness. Okay, because it's an occlusive ingredient, so it will actually help you with your skin condition. Okay, so if you're wondering, if you're suffering from rosacea and psoriasis, can you use Vaseline? Yes, you can use Vaseline on your skin. It will help you, because those skin conditions, they are as a result of over dryness of skin. Okay, now you can use Vaseline as well as an eye makeup remover, believe it or not. Yes, you can use it as an eye makeup remover. You can try it, or maybe I will actually do a video using Vaseline to remove my eye makeup and show you, so you can see it. Okay, I hope I've touched everything you need to know about Vaseline, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't clicked the like button, like it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and become part of this family, this little family. Become part of us. Okay, share this video as well, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.